Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. Today in the grade 7 for the subject chemistry, we are going to continue our lesson from the chapter 14, that is plant oils. Here in this we are going to start our lesson for the page 183. So please open the book from the page 183 and let's see the last part of the lesson. In the today's discussion, what we are going to see, let's see now. So learning objectives of today's lesson is what is biodiesel and uses of biodiesel in different areas, particularly biodiesels in cars and also the biodiesels in the cleaner fuel, that diesel from the crude oil. So biodiesel which we are using in different areas that we are going to see here. First thing that we are going to talk, that is about the what is biodiesel. Now here, biodiesel is a form of diesel fuel derived from plant and animals and consisting of long chain fatty acid esters. It is typically made by chemically reacting lipids such as animal fat, soybean oil or some other vegetable oil with an alcohol producing methyl, ethyl or propyl esters. So now here the biodiesel is a clean burning fuel produced from domestic and the renewable resources. So we can say that the biodiesel can be produced from the domestic. Domestic means at the local level, at our nation or in the particular area where we are. So this is the domestic as well as the from the renewable resources we can get the biodiesel. Also we can say that biodiesel is a direct replacement for the petroleum diesel and can be used in any diesel engine without modifications. Biodiesel blends are used in diesel cars, trucks, buses, off-road equipment and oil furnaces across the country. The use of biodiesel can reduce diesel engines overall emissions up to 75%. Also we can see here from the fossil fuels the harmful gases which are creating the pollutions, and because of the pollutions you can see the abnormal lung and the normal lung here. In these two pictures we can say that the abnormal and the normal lungs. So here we can say that this is the greenhouse effect that gives you here about these cars where we are using the biodiesel. So now here which the harmful emission, the emission which you are finding here is very harmful, whereas the emission which comes from the biodiesel is very less, that is very low harmful. We can say that low harmful emission is here, and also we are getting from this the carbon dioxide which the plant they are in need of it for their food. For making their food they are taking the carbon dioxide which is coming from the biodiesel. So it is also helping to the nature. So we can see that the lungs, the normal lungs, how they look like, and the abnormal lungs means because of the pollution what the effect it causes on the lungs. When you are breathing from the atmosphere different gases, you are going to inhale them, and such kind of things are going to happen, and we can see that are the things in the lungs. Also we can say that the developed from vegetable or animal fats, biodiesel is functionally identical to petroleum diesel. Biodiesel is most commonly sold in blends with normal diesel. It pollutes much less than regular diesel. B5, the kind of biodiesel are B5, which is 5% of the biodiesel and 95% the petroleum diesel, and the another form where B20 is the 20% of biodiesel and 80% is the petroleum diesel. Here also we can say that biodiesel can be used in many diesel vehicles without any engine modifications. So here we can see that how the cycle it continues for the biodiesel, like from the sun, the plant or the sunflower, the process of photosynthesis is happening here. We can get the oil crops, oil plants from here, and the seeds also we can extract them, and from the crude vegetable oil, when you are refining it, you are getting the trans-esterification. After trans-esterification, you will be going to get the glycerol as well as the biodiesel. This biodiesel you are using for the vehicles. From the vehicles again you are releasing the energy as well as you are releasing the carbon dioxide, which is helping the cycle to continue. So here with this we are going to conclude here the lesson, today's lesson about the plant oils. Here we are going to end up with the lesson. I will be back with the question answers from this lesson and with the new video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.